Hello everyone, and my name is Somil Shah, and this is a video I'm sharing of Seaside Park, which is just beside University of Bridgeport. It is really beautiful, and you can see the beautiful view of Seaside Park just beside the University of Bridgeport. There is a lovely beach where people come, usually do fishing, spend a little time with your families, and here you can see the beautiful flag of United States of America. So here there are a lot of things to do. The people come to jog in the morning, they do cycling here, and the view of the Seaside Park is really amazing. The sparkles from my body heart, break it so hard, break it so hard, break it so hard, break it so hard. I don't need a hero to save me. He's always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's part we left in the wasted planet. So here you see a small video of a beautiful seaside park from a height of more 120 meters from the ground, and it looks really beautiful. You can see all the cars and the beautiful scenario of Bridgeport. You can see how beautiful it looks. I mean, University of Bridgeport is truly one of the best places, I would say, for students. You can study, you can enjoy the view. There is a beautiful beach outside. You have almost everything here. You can see the entire view of the seaside park. Here I am where the movie started, So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. This is a small clip on University of Bridgeport Seaside Park. Thank you very much. I don't need a hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's spot we left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it all.